Want to know how to make powerful websites in minutes instead of days? How to do it yourself, even if you've never done anything online before, and save a small fortune too? If so, stick with me. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been a full-time online marketer since 2002, and powerful, high-converting websites have been a big part of my success. I make all of my websites myself. You can do it too. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about marketing and making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So here's the thing. Most people think building a professional, powerful website requires coding skills, paying expensive designers, or weeks of tedious work. But that's no longer true. I use a web design tool that makes it possible for both beginners and experienced marketers alike to create stunning, high-converting websites in just minutes. It comes with dozens of beautiful, easy-to-customize templates for any kind of website you can think of. The built-in editor lets you quickly customize the text and the images and publish your website in minutes. It's literally drag and drop simple, and it integrates with all major email autoresponders. So even if you are a beginner, you can quickly and easily build highly effective websites with this web design tool. Again, no experience is required. It's easier to use and costs far less than the big name funnel builder web design tool. With this design tool, you can make powerful websites of all kinds: landing pages, sales pages, complete sales funnels, membership sites, webinar pages, checkout pages, and more. All mobile optimized. It's the easy way to sell anything you want. It includes analytics and countdown timers too, even has AI built into it. You can build as many web pages as you want at a fraction of the cost. It comes with terrific training and support too. Anyone can get terrific results with it. And best of all is the low price. And this web design tool even includes hosting for your website. One more way it saves you time and money. So if you're ready to build powerful websites in minutes for far less money, I encourage you to learn more about this web design tool that's helping everyday people create amazing websites faster and easier than ever. Take our online tour and see this web design tool in action. Go to attainmygoals.com/web and get ready to launch your first website today.